Find or read reviews that people are talking of LONGXTX 2.24-inch small suction cup dent puller handle lifter universal car dent puller remover kit. Are recommended that you do not buy, unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable, and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe, click bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Why you choose LONGXTX 2.24-inch small suction cup dent puller handle lifter universal car dent puller remover kit. Below are some reasons why you should choose. Car dents can be easily repaired in just a few simple steps. First, clean the surface of your car dent, then separate the pull tab, press on the dent, then combine the pull tab. And finally pull it outward, simple and labor-saving. When there is a dent on the car, do you still go to the car repair shop? This strong suction cup helps you to easily solve this problem. Small in size, you can put it on the car and use it anytime, anywhere, very convenient. High density natural thickened rubber, not easy to crack. When adsorbing, there is no gap, it will not damage the paint of the car, and the pull ring is not easy to deform or break. In daily life, this suction cup has many functions, for example, furniture movement, glass movement, floor tile movement, convenient and labor-saving, at the same time. It can also be used as a simple door handle or toilet handrail. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.